Hi, today I have an BKS Euro cylinder lock with a pretty interesting keyway. So here's the lock, the keyway. I do not have a key for this lock, so hopefully one day I'll get the blank and I will make a key. It's pretty new lock, pretty interesting one to pick, and the keyway, it's there is here there is a gap, so the pick can slide. You can slide the pick pretty easily. I think, let me show you. So it's there is a space for the pick, and you will see me probably changing picks multiple times, because there is I will need a deeper hook, so there is a small key pins. So when I pick it, I will get it. So you will see the pins. I cannot show you the key, so I cannot explain the bidding. When I'm going to get it, I will explain. We will see the pins, and probably you can picture it, a key, probably pretty easily. Now, yeah, I just touch pin number 3 and 2, and I'm in some deep full set. So we have one spool at least, and I touch pin number 4 and core move a little bit more. So pin number 5 counter rotation, but I think I drop everything else. There is a good tolerance for this lock, so you will see me picking it, some of the pins, multiple times, because when I try to set the spool, I'm dropping some of the pins. So I think I set now pin number 5. Let me check. Yeah, so tune is set, 3 is full set, and 5 a little click from 5, but it's it was not, I did not feel like serrated pin. And now the pin number 1 is giving me counter rotation, so I need a deeper hook now. Let me try to set it, pin number 1. I think I set pin number 1 and I got the full set. Now I touch pin number 2, and again let me check other pins. First nothing, second nothing, third nothing, and the fourth one a little bit more of that full set. So, but I think no one is talking to me. 1 is set, 2 is, I think, set, 3 is set, 4 is giving me some counter rotation. Let me check. So 5 nothing, yeah, 4 is giving me counter rotation, so I'll try to, yeah, there is a click on pin number 4, and pin number 1 again dropped, so let me just set it. Come on. I think maybe I oversent pin number 1, but I'm not sure. Let me put some. Yeah, I think previous, yeah, now we're open. I think I overset pin number 1. So I just release a little bit of pressure and I set it, and I just touch pin number 2 and the lock is open. So I need a big tray, so I need to, it's pretty shiny. I need to, because I do not have a key, so I need to do it like this. Let me try to remove this C-clip. This is not the original C-clip, so I'll try to set the colors a little bit. Pretty interesting pick in general. Here's that C-clip. Pretty nice keyway, pretty interesting to pick. Let me give a check. It's going in. So I was thinking it's not going to work, but yeah, it's going. There is a space tight, but pretty nice. So let me get out. Yeah, it's tight, but I think I can just, yeah, come on. Here is the core. All the pins need to be picked, and let me drop them. One is a standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, and 5 it's a standard. Because this lock is a standard lock, I think nothing on the done on the core. Yeah, so pretty interesting keyway. Let me rearrange it a little bit. So short, keeping first, second little bit long, third long, fourth short, and fifth one. So we have high, low, low, high, low for the beating. So you can picture it somehow. So let me, how can we do this? I will try to go from the back and not drop any other pins. So here's the number 5, it's a spool. Number, I need to here's the 4th one. Here's the cam. And the 4th one is, of course, spool. Let me get the 3rd one. Here's the spring. And the 3rd one is standard. Yeah. The 4th one. Come on. Spring and and he's standard. So it's not the fourth one, the second one. And the last one is a spool. So let me dump all the springs. So, and I will give you a close-up. So probably nothing done on the chambers. Everything is stuck. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So let me give you a close-up. So, shiny one. So first is standard, but you can see on all the pins they're not on the ends, they're tempered. So I don't know if you can see it, but so first is standard steel pin, probably a drill protection, both the key pin and the drivers. Second, come on, focus. The second one is standard key pin, standard driver. The third one standard key pins and driver pins. The fifth one and the fourth one standard key pins and spools, pretty long one. And the fifth one, it's a shorter. So that's the BKS lock with a pretty interesting keyway picking at it. So have a nice day, have a nice week picking, and bye bye.